Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials are present: VS Code, a project folder, and a basic index. HTML, open that folder in VS Code and create styles. CSS, next, link the style sheet in the head with link rel equals style sheet href equals styles. CSS, so the browser can load your rules. Once done, save both files and open index. HTML with live server or the browser to confirm the link works. This immediate feedback loop speeds up styling and debugging. Now you craft CSS rules and apply them to your HTML. You'll write selectors, tags for defaults, class for reusable styles, and hash ID for single elements, keeping specificity in mind. Place base styles first, then layout rules, and finally component or utility tweaks to avoid overrides. Save frequently. Live server will reload automatically, but manual refresh works too. Make sure to check the Browser DevTools Styles panel to see which rules apply and why, so you can fine-tune. Finish by confirming responsive and advanced behaviors. Test media queries, custom properties, and flexbox or grid layouts. If styles don't appear, inspect the element in DevTools to view computed styles and trace which rule wins. That explains cascading issues. Make sure your style sheet path and file name are exact, and clear the browser cache or disable caching during development. If problems persist, check the console for MIME errors and validate that the file extension is CSS. These steps usually reveal and resolve remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.